Well, I hate to ask you this, Quagmire, but do you know how to change a diaper?
Yeah, of course I know how to change a diaper. I saw Mr. Mom 4 times. That's not how you dry a baby. Oh, he has to do it because his wife has the job. But motherhood's a job. Motherhood's a job too, though.
Oh, that's actually a great idea.
We don't got no money for camp. We're saving up to go to Europe.
Peter, we went to Europe. You didn't like it.
Oh, my God, it's beautiful. My TV isn't here. Let's go home.
Sorry, you're not allowed in here.
Oh, yeah?
I'm not into that.
Oh, well, what are you into?
Pinkberry. I love my job. Yum, 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 yum.
Is there anything we can do to make the news more appealing to you?
Maybe. I guess you could lose the mustache.
Lose my mustache? Well, gosh, I don't know. My birthmark makes it kind of tough. Always caused me problems at my old job. And that'll do it for us here at Channel 12 News. Make sure you turn those clocks ahead. Good night, St. Louis.
That's it. I'm getting those sneakers. After all, shoes make the man.
Gentlemen, take your marks.
I am a different kind of winner!